Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if this is your first time here. Today's video is a power hour, and I'm not sure what all will be on the list, but I know I'm starting in the living room, so we'll get to that in just a second. But I also wanted to let you know that today's video is a collab with my friend Jessica here on YouTube, and her channel is named Jessica, so I'll link all of her information in the description box down below, and let's get into her clip.
Hi everyone, my name is Jessica. I live in Delaware with my husband and my dog, and we recently built a home in Delaware, and I love doing deep cleaning videos, organizing videos, decluttering, anything to bring you all some extra motivation that you may need. So be sure to check out my channel after you're done watching Jessica Tyler's video and comment down below saying hi so I can say hello back.
Barefoot.
This is what I have come up with so far for the power hour. I definitely want to get the fan dusted off because I forgot last time, and yes, I haven't done it since, so I just kind of saved it for the video. And I'll have to vacuum, and I need to dust the furniture in the living room and also pick up and under the TV I need to arrange the DVDs, and oh, I need to do the door, the glass door, and I guess I might as well do the window too. We only have one window in here, and that probably will be enough for the hour. I don't know, it kind of seems like it's not that much, but we will see.
So I'm just starting off by picking up the living room floor because I am going to start the major cleaning with ceiling fan. It really needs to be dusted off, and I know some of that will fall onto the ground and on the couch. So I just want to make sure everything is picked up as much as possible before I start that.
Barefoot. Dressed in a gown, barefoot.
So next, after picking up the floor, I'm moving on to this laundry and getting it all put away so that I can move on to the ceiling fan. I always have laundry to do, and I'm actually coming out with a video later this week on laundry motivation, so I can't wait for you guys to see that video also.
You're gone now, will you call me back? Yeah, I know that. Yeah, I know that. You're the traveling kind, it's a known fact. Yeah, I know that. Once you've seen all the things, all the places, I hope it means that you'll come home to me. Once you've traveled the world, all the spaces inside your heart, I hope I'll be your end destination. I hope I'll be your life-changing sensation. I hope I'll be something that you won't let go. I'll be your high when you fall down low.
Now I'm getting everything ready to get this fan going, and so I have to get a step ladder to reach the fan because it is in a trade ceiling, and I will try to put my camera in different places so you guys can see all of the dust up close. It's actually very satisfying to watch it get all cleaned up, and it is very disgusting, I know, but just remember I was letting it sit for a while so I could show y'all this. But it's also another cool thing about the Dyson is that it was so easy to use to get the majority of this dust off, and then later I wipe it down with the Method wood cleaner.
I hope I'll be your destination. I hope I'll be your life-changing sensation. I hope I'll be something that you won't let go. I'll be your high when you fall down low. I hope I'll be your destination. You're gone now, but you're coming back. Yeah, I know that. Yeah, I know that. You're the traveling kind. It's a known fact. Yeah, I know that. I hope I'll be your destination. I hope I'll be your life-changing sensation. I hope I'll be something that you won't let go. I'll be your high when you fall down low. I hope I'll be your destination.
I feel like the majority of time during this power hour was spent on this ceiling fan because it was so dusty, and I just wanted to go over it several times to make sure I got everything off.
So we've had this Sharpie on this table for quite a while, and I'm finally getting around to try to get it off again. I believe I used a magic eraser on some of it and it was taking the finish off, and it does say that you probably shouldn't use it on dark surfaces, and this is black, so probably shouldn't use it, but I'm going to try it anyways. And this is the Target brand, and I just dampened it, and we're going to try it.
dance for me. Easy tiger, easy, let your hair down. Come closer, let me see all your million faces and all your million mistakes. You don't need to hide. Come closer so that we can be together. Everything that has been don't matter no more. We've burned it.
So it did take this off, which feels a lot smoother than this part. This, you can actually feel the wood grain, so I think that's the reason why this is taking a lot more to come off.
So it's going to take a little bit more time to work on that console over there to get the Sharpie out. So I will update y'all, and I'm sure you'll see it in my video whether or not I get it out. And if I do get it out, I'll be sure to share with you how I got it out. And if you have any tips on how to get Sharpie out of furniture with grooves in it, like where you can feel the grains of the wood, then comment down below. I'd love to hear your thoughts.
No more. We've burned it. All those whirlwinds can't touch us no more. We've earned it. We've earned it. We've been mostly off track and under attack, so we've earned it. Yeah, we've stayed loyal to each other. Now everything that
I'm just quickly going over 2 or 3 cushions on the couch because that's all the dust that fell.
all those whirlwinds can't touch us no more. We've earned it. Everything that has been don't matter no more. We've burned it. All those whirlwinds can't touch us no more. We've earned it.
So for some reason when I was cleaning this back door, it went out of focus majorly. I think it has to do with the lighting that came through, but I'm not sure, so I apologize.
As a young girl, the fields were mine. We played hide and seek for hours, raised our shadows among the pines. So offshore, playful and free, without a care in the world.
So now I'm going to go through these DVDs and just kind of organize them a little bit better and get them back in order. Probably need to go through and declutter later because DVDs are kind of phasing out, I guess, since everything is streamed. So I don't know. Do you guys keep your DVDs? All the DVDs on the bottom are pretty much Disney movies. I've always wanted a Disney movie collection, so I started collecting DVDs in 2008. So I've had all those for a really long time. And then the ones on the top are different types of DVDs, like some that we bought the kids when they were little and all of that. So just let me know in the comments below if you keep DVDs.
One big smile across my face. We used to dance our way to church on Sunday.
So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and if you did, please leave it a thumbs up. It really does help my channel out so much. Also, when you're finished with this video, go check out Jessica's video. I'll have all of her information linked in the description box down below. I just want to say thank you to Jessica for collabing with me. It was so much fun and I really enjoyed it, and I hope y'all did too. And if you are coming over from Jessica's channel, be sure to say hi in the comments below because I would love to know if you're coming from over there and I can say hi to you. I will see you in my next one. Bye!